flies and how? Well, if you got a hint from that, I'm talking of Apple's big event today. The big day is finally here and excitement in newsrooms, even though virtual work from home newsrooms is quite palpable. The virtual event by Apple will unveil its new generations of products of the Apple Watch, the iPad Air and lots more. But where can you watch it? What are the big expectations and who are to be the big showstoppers? Well, all of that in this video. First up, the timing. Well, Apple is hosting its event at 10 a.m. PTD or Pacific time, but you can watch it at 10:30 p.m. in India, about a few hours from now. It will be live streamed through the dedicated Apple event site, and it will be, of course, live streamed on YouTube as well. And of course, you can always watch it on timesnownews.com too. That will be embedded on this very page. So what can be expected? Definitely not a new iPhone model. It's COVID year and things are not so hunky-dory for businesses. So this year, it's going to happen in October. You'll have to wait for that a bit, but today's event, what you can expect, first up, the Apple Watch Series 6. Well, that's the key show-stopping announcement which is expected to happen today. The team is rumored to have given a built-in blood oxygen meter to measure oxygen levels, and in fact, other than that, there's also a pulse tracking and heart rate monitoring mechanism available on that as well. Then you have the Apple Watch SE. Well, this is one of the other key announcements we are expecting Apple to make today. The affordable offering in the smartwatch segment category. Definitely things are going to hot up post this launch because you'll see competition soaring in the market in this category. You can expect both 40mm and of course 44mm variants in the series. The other big heavy-duty announcement is going to be the iPad Air 2020. So great that it's coming at a time when iPad usage amongst people in lockdown and working from home has gone up. The iPad Air 4 is likely to be the successor to the iPad Air 3 that debuted in March last year. In fact, the new model could also feature a design that's similar to that of the iPad Pro family, and of course it will offer a larger screen as it's touted. Now, you can also expect the omission of the home button as well on the iPad Air 4. AppleOne. Besides all of those announcements, we are also expecting Apple to reveal details on its unified subscription service called AppleOne. And then you can also expect Apple AirTags. Well, what's that? A Bluetooth-based style tracker device for your products so that you don't forget or lose them. Seems it's all packed, so do join us here on timesnownews.com right here for all the latest updates and all the action and all the announcements from today's Apple event.